With my Christmas Tree desktop app, bring the holiday magic straight to your screen. Let's dive into all the festive features you'll love. Customizable Christmas lights. Choose from a variety of beautiful light types to decorate your virtual tree. You can even customize the animations and colors to match your holiday vibe. Set a soft glow, a twinkling sparkle, or a vibrant light show right on your desktop. Falling snow effect snowflake. Let it snow. This feature lets you enjoy peaceful snowfall across your screen. Change the snowflake type, adjust the speed, and select the size to create the perfect winter wonderland. Magic mouse sparkle effect sparkles. Here's where the fun kicks up a notch. As you move your mouse, watch magical sparkles appear. Finally, our exclusive Christmas widget for macOS. Keep the holiday spirit alive with quick access to all your holiday features, right in your widget panel. Ready to make your screen shine? Download now and let the magic begin.